There she is. So, just gonna give you guys an update about this car. I currently have an intake now. Yes, I know. It took a minute, but I didn't get the APR intake yet, but this is the intake that I got from a local shop. And I'll show you guys real quick, just real quick. And then I'll maybe take you guys on a test drive. Here's the intake. I know I got a little crack right here, so I definitely need to change that really soon. But it sounds amazing, bro. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this. How does it sound? And take you on a drive. All right, boys. I usually don't talk much in my videos, but I gotta talk because just got an intake. I'm excited. I actually installed it yesterday. Me and my friend installed the intake, so I'm gonna let you guys hear it. Let me know if you can hear it. I'm gonna let her out the window for like 2 clips maybe, and then go on from there. See if I can hear it from inside the car. If not, I'll just let the window down, you know. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn off traction. Okay. My car's already warmed up. As you can see, it's warm right here. I don't know if I can see that, but let me go ahead and show you guys how it sounds. Hey guys, next is the downpipe. I promise you, this car's gonna be way too fast. It's gonna be really fun to drive. Man, this intake really put a smile on the people's face, man. And guys, this car does run more smoother with an intake, so if you're thinking about getting an intake for this car, it's the best decision you ever made, I promise you. You're gonna get a nice sound and you're gonna get the best performance. It's not that much performance, but I promise you, it's a difference. Let's go ahead and turn it around. We're gonna do a pool here. Not in this neighborhood, obviously. We're gonna turn around and do a pool. I love my car in neighborhoods because you can literally hear like the echo is like actually insane. These cars, bro, so cramped. Can't wait till I get a good tune with this car. Oh, she's loud. There's a whole lot of cars outside the fucking, like, the thing today. Let me see. Hold on, boys. it's just fire. God, why is there so many people? Yo, you see that? So many fucking Asians. Holy shit. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I record on my phone, and sometimes it stops recording. Like, I was just talking to you guys and telling you guys what mod should I do, and the recording just stops. So I'm actually gonna probably drive again just to see if it does it again. If not, I'll tell you guys about the mod list that I'm thinking about, and I want you guys to comment down below what mod should I do next, because I have intake. I'm pretty sure you guys heard it. It sounds amazing, dude. But what mod should I do next, boys? I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing on a drive around just one more neighborhood, and then, look, a Jetta. I don't know why dudes on mod, bro. These things are sleepers, man. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, I've got attached to German like so much because of this car. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do a drive real quick, just around one neighborhood. It's gonna be like 1 minute or something, and yeah. Y'all seen that? Oh, shit. Alright, we gotta make a U-turn here and go home. And I'm thirsty. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so thirsty, bro. I hate bumps, bro. Holy. Have to do another pull for you guys. She's pretty quick. Just wait till I get the pro intake, and then y'all hear that? I'm telling you, bro, as soon as I get that tune, bro, this car gonna be so loud with the pops, bro.